In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a member ID on Slack. Member IDs are really useful when you're working with integrations, automations, or support requests, and you need a precise way to identify a specific person in your Slack workspace. Instead of relying on display names, which people can change, the member ID stays consistent, so it's a reliable identifier. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and go to any channel or direct message where the person you're interested in has sent a message. It can be a public channel, a private channel you share with them, or a direct message. Once you're there, look for a message from that member and click directly on their name or profile picture next to the message. This will open a small profile preview on the right or in a pop-up depending on your layout. At the top of that small profile view, you'll see their name again. Click on the member's name at the top of this panel. This is important because just hovering over it won't give you what you need. You actually need to click so Slack opens the detailed profile view. When the full profile panel appears, you'll see more information about that person, such as their title, contact details, and any custom fields your workspace uses. Here, look for the option that says View Full Profile and click on it. Even if the panel already looks detailed, clicking View Full Profile ensures you're in the complete profile view where the Member ID option is available. Once you're in the full profile, move your attention to the upper right area of that panel. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Actions menu. Click on these 3 dots to expand a small drop-down menu with additional options related to that member. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Copy Member ID. Go ahead and click on that. Slack won't show the ID on screen, but it will quietly copy it to your clipboard. From there, you can paste the member ID wherever you need it, such as in a ticket, a configuration field for an app, or a documentation file.